Is that what you're saying?
Can't you hear?
I can't hear it. Okay. I can't hear it.
You cannot hear. Then check your audio very well, because if the court registrar is hearing me clearly, then you should be able to hear. So maybe you remove whatever you are putting on your ears.
Yes,
and connect directly.
I can hear you. I'm so sorry, my Lord. I can hear you now. I can hear you.
So you said you are for who? You are appearing for who? For the first defendant.
Yes, my Lord.
Any other appearance?
Nee, from the open court, my Lord.
Have you reacted to the originating summons, Mr. Ismaila?
We have the
process
in the court already. We have the processes in the court already, my Lord.
When did you file them? When did you file the process? Because I don't have any process from you.
As the company, my Lord, we're sorry about the delay, but the process is before court today now. I'll not be able to file this morning. I was to come yesterday at issue Sunday. So, no,
take a date.
I'll stop this. 25th.
What registrar suggests
yes, my Lord.
Them?
25th May, my Lord.
Is it convenient for hearing?
No, my Lord. Sorry, my Lord. Hearing
date. It's originating summons. It's originating summons. So if I say it's for hearing, it's for hearing. It's not going to go to
sorry, my Lord. No hearing date in May, my Lord. Sorry.
So what date do you have in that May that you mentioned?
No hearing date in May at all, my Lord.
Why did you mention 25th of May earlier?
Sorry, my Lord. I was thinking it's for further mention. Sorry.
Yes. Fix it for 25th of May for hearing. Because it's not going on trial. It's an originating summons. They are just here to adopt their written addresses. So fix it for that 25th.
As the court please.
Case adjourned 25th of May 2023 for hearing. Hearing notices to be served on all the claimants, the second, third, and fourth defendants, and proof are to be filed.
As the court please.
Call the next case.
Case number 2, NICN LKJ 08-2022 between Issa Muhammad and Standard Alliance Insurance PLC. Parties are absent, my Lord.
Parties absent.
Yes, my Lord.
Appearances.
Nee from the open court.
Any counsel online? Give me a date.
20th June, my lord.
Case adjourned to 20th of June 2023 for further mention. Hearing notices to be served on all the parties proved to be filed.
As God please.
All the next case.
Case number 3, NICN LKJ 16-2020 between Sunday Awoyemi and 1 KCM Mining Limited to Alabi Samuel. My lord, the claimant is in court. Second defendant is also in court, and he's as well representing the first defendant. He's the country manager, my lord.
Appearances. Counsel.
I'm sorry, my lord.
Counsel.
I'm sorry, my lord. I have
Very
problems.
well.
I'm A.Y. Mohammed, most humbly appearing for the claimant.
For who?
For the claimant, my lord.
Any other appearance?
Yes, my lord. I am you.
For the defendants.
Yes, I have defendants.
Who?
Why and
YM Jamiu.
yes, my lord. Why? Yes, my lord.
Very well.
Yes, my lord. The case is slated for adoption of written addresses.
Yes. Have you filed your respective addresses?
Yes, my lord.
So defendant, go first.
Yes, my lord. My lord, we final written address dated on the 5th day of February.
And filed when?
And filed on the 3rd day of March 2022.
Very well.
A lot of the claimant's final written address, we equally file reply on point of law.
Very well.
Dated
Was it?
of March 2013 and filed on the same day, 2023, 28th day of March 2023 and filed on the same date.
Very well.
My lord, we adopt the argument canvas in defendant's written address as well as reply in point of law as our submission.
Very well.
My lord, on our part,
Go ahead.
On our part, we provide a final written address dated 20th day of March 2023 and filed in court 21st day of March 2023. We hereby respectfully adopt the same as our address and agreement and submission to the court. Most obliged, we urge my Lord to grant the reliefs specified in our processes. Most obliged.
Let me have the diary. Thirteenth of July.
As God places.
When?
13th July.
13th July. What's up, like
These are down to 13/7/2023 for judgment.
As God
places.
Call the next case.
Case number 4, NICN LKJ 28/2022 between United Harbor Healers and Prayers Association and Ochanyi Abdurrahman, aka Aramani. Parties are absent.
Appearances. Appearances.
Me from the open court, my lord.
Any appearance online? Any appearance online? Give me a date. What date?
19th June, my lord.
Okay. What? All right.
Mr. Mohammed, are you in this case?
Not at all, my lord.
So mute your phone.
Mute.
Case adjourned to 19/6/2023 for adoption of addresses on the competence of the suit. Notices to be served on the parties proved to be filed.
As God pleases.
Call the next case.
Case number 5, NICN LKJ 03/2021 between Alison Abutu Idoko and 1, Kogi State Judicial Service Commission, 2, Chief Judge of Kogi State. Parties are absent.
Appearances.
With profound respect to my lord, I am Simon Musa. I humbly appear for the claimant.
Simon what?
Simon Musa.
For the claimant.
For the claimant, my lord.
Any other appearance?
May I please, Honorable Court?
Mm-hmm.
R.O. Mohammed. Appearing for the defendants.
Very well. Are you ready to continue with your defense?
Regrettably, Your Lordship, we are not ready, Your Lordship. The witness we intend to call is yet to recover. I'm so sorry, Your Lordship. As at yesterday,
you couldn't get a replacement for him or her, because at last adjourned day, this was your excuse, and I said, well, if you're not ready to proceed today, then you'll be foreclosed. It means you don't have any defense.
I'm so sorry, Your Lordship. We honestly, was a situation beyond our control, Your Lordship. As at yesterday, we still had the hopes that she would be able to make it to court. But when I called yesterday, it was even her son who picked and said she was still not yet. She was still down.
Listen, you waited. Yes, you waited till yesterday before you called.
No, not
find
yesterday.
Out if the,
no.
Listen, let me land, okay?
Yes,
let me land.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You waited till yesterday, the 18th of this month, knowing fully well that the matter is coming up today for your defense, before you called to find out if the witness would be able to come to court.
I'm sorry, Your Lordship. Yesterday's call was just a confirmation to know if she will still be able to make it to court. We have called her a week before, but she was still down. So, but with the hope that she will still be able to make it to court yesterday, Your Lordship. The call yesterday was just a confirmation. We have actually tried our best to see if she will be able to make it to court this morning. We've tried reaching her.
Mr. Musa, let me hear from you.
My Lord, the order of the court on the last adjourned day, today's adjournment will be at the last at their instance.
I'm sorry, Your Lordship. I'm sorry, Your Lordship. This is
Mr. Musa, so what do you want the court to do?
Lord, since they continue to hinge the adjournment on ground of ill health, and told the court they have made, maybe we'll consider one more, the very last adjournment at their instance, my Lord. One more and the very last adjournment. If between now and the next adjourned date, it's either they proceed with the witness or look for another witness to replace their witness.
What date?
Can't we get date in May? Because you have the date in May.
Have you complied, defendant? Have you
yes,
paid the cost awarded?
Yes, Your Lordship, I have.
You are paid.
We have heard that.
Lord, they paid this
yes,
morning.
Yes, we've paid it.
Lord, they paid this
No wonder
morning.
Mr. Musa kept mute about that.
As they come, Lord.
No wonder you are supporting them today.
No, we know they paid this morning. Look, I don't know if we can get a date in May. But this case has been.
Court registrar, a date for defense.
May. We have a date in 23rd of May.
If there's no date in May, then you go to June.
20th June, my lord.
Eh?
20th June.
Defendants are to ensure that their witness is in court at the next adjourned date, failing which they are to be foreclosed. By
As the
consent of counsel, case adjourned to 20th of June 2023 for definite defense.
As a couple, Lord, we are grateful.
Call the next case.
Case number 6, NICN LKJ 13-2022 between Onoja Alaji Obuche and 1. Kogi State Government, 2. Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice, Kogi State, 3. Kogi State Pension Board. Claimant is absent. First and second defendant also absent. Third defendant is represented by Adaji Benjamin B. He is the Deputy Director Admin.
Adaji Benjamin what?
Benjamin B.
What is his position?
Deputy Director Admin.
The Deputy Director Admin of the first defendant?
Third, my lord. Third defendant.
Of the third defendant?
Yes, my lord.
Very well. Appearances. Any counsel?
Along with profound respect to this honorable court. My name is?
Yes.
Yes, my lord.
Go ahead.
My name is Okaye.
What are your initials?
Okaye. This is my first name usually, my lord. Tunji Okaye, my lord.
Okay.
Oh, yes, Tunji Okaye. I'm assistant director.
Assistant director what?
With me, civil litigation.
Civil litigation.
I have with me my colleague named Akao.
Linda Akao. And who?
A legal officer.
Legal. And who? Or is it the only one with you? Any other appearance? And you are for who? Are you for the defendants?
Yes, my lord.
Any other appearance? Any appearance for the claimants?
Lord,
I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
Legal practitioner. I was able to speak with the claimants.
Go ahead.
That's Onoja Esquire.
Okay.
A few minutes ago on phone. And he told me that I will be on his way. Because
I can't hear you. You said you spoke with him a few minutes ago and he told you what?
Because and we are ready.
Your phone is cracking. Place it before you. Place the phone in front of you and talk to it so I can hear you clearly.
The matter is for submission of the claimants by the defense and also for consideration of for defense. The claimants
What registrar? Did you hear what Mr. Joka is saying? I can't hear him.
Yes, he's saying that he spoke with the claimant this morning and he said he's on his way. He's just walking into the court, my lord.
The court cannot be waiting for counsel. Okay, so give me a date in June. Go ahead, give me a date in June.
21st June, my lord.
Case adjourned to 21st of June 2023 for definite continuation of hearing.
As the court, please.
For the next case.
Case number 7. NICN LKJ 10/2022 between Joseph Francis and 1. Sinoma International Engineering Company 2. Dangote Cement PLC. Parties are absent.
Appearances.
May it please, my lord.
Go ahead.
Lord, I'm BM Musa. I announce my appearance for the claimant.
Any other appearance?
May it please, my lord. I'm P.O. Zachary. I appear with P. Ame for the first defendant, my lord.
For the first defendant or both defendants?
For the first defendant, my lord.
Any other appearance? Any appearance for the second defendant? Any appearance for the second?
Yes, my lord.
I cannot hear you. I can't hear you.
Respect.
Yes.
Liman.
Suleiman or Liman?
Liman.
Saliu.
Yes, my lord.
For
the second
defendant. Mr. Saliu, have you filed any process in this case in reaction to the claimant's processes?
My lord, we have not filed. We will file. We'll file the memorandum of appearance.
Have you filed a defense?
We haven't filed, but we will file. We intend to defend it.
So when do you want to file?
My lord, before the next adjournment.
When were you served with the originating processes?
My lord, we were served. I confirm that we were served.
When were you served?
My lord, is my, I can't precisely bring it up now.
This process was filed since 2022 May.
Yes, my lord.
And I believe you must have been served the same last year. So you're waiting till the middle of this year before you will respond to it. Zachary Esquire, you have filed.
Yes, my lord.
Mr. Musa.
My lord.
Next, counsel, have you reacted to the preliminary objection filed by the first defendant?
Well, we had earlier before we take the substitute suit. So we
yes, but have you filed? Have you filed a reaction to it?
Well, we haven't filed.
What are you waiting for?
I'm so sorry, my lord.
Very well. The matter is actually for definite hearing today.
Yes.
So are you ready? Mr. Musa, are you ready?
No, will have been ready. My friend told me that
You are ready. Where's the witness? Eh? I can't hear you. Please speak out.
My client is around the court premises. But
It's around the court premises, so the court should be waiting for your client. When you as counsel is already in the courtroom, what sort of practice is this in Lokoja?
Well, my client is actually coming from over Benin. I had some hitches with transport coming down. That's the
So he
reason
couldn't come yesterday. When you didn't tell him that the matter is for hearing today.
He actually informed me. He started in Lagos and had to travel down Lagos to Lokoja then this morning to Lokoja.
Court registrar, give me a date. Give me a date in June. Is your case?
21st June, my lord.
I'm so sorry.
Give me 20.
Second defendant is to file his defense to the suit within 48 hours, advance copies to the other parties, and has to pay all the appropriate default fees. So court registrar notes that you must check and see when they were served, and then calculate the appropriate default fees since that date till when they file. Is that clear? The case adjourned to 21st of June 2023 for definite hearing. Any other matter?
One more, my lord.
Go ahead.
NICN LKJ 30/2022 between a Girefe influence and 1 Salem University, 2 the Vice Chancellor, Salem University. Parties are absent, my lord. Where is the claimant? Sorry, my lord, the claimant is in court. Defendant absent.
Appearances. Any counsel representing any of the parties?
Yes, my lord.
Announce the appearance, counsel.
Check your audio.
I can't hear you.
Check your audio, please.
Unmute your audio. Your audio is muted. G.U. Haruna. Go ahead.
E.A. Mejabi is my name.
E.A. Mejabi.
Yes, my lord. I want the B from S.T. Momo. For the claimant, sir.
Very well. Any other appearance?
Yes, my lord. The defense counsel wrote a letter that he's appearing before High Court 1 and 2 in Ida. He's asking for
the High Court 1 and 2 should take precedent over this one, a court of coordinate jurisdiction. Mr. Mejabi, what do you have to say to that?
My lord, sir, the matter is for hearing today.
You are muted, please.
Yes, my lord.
Mr. Majobi, I'm listening.
I said the matter is for hearing today, my lord, sir.
And are you ready?
And it's coming up for the first. The claimant is in though, but for the request of the second defendant,
if you are ready to proceed with your case, invite your witness, okay? Invite your witness. Go ahead.
The claimant is in court.
Invite him.
Mr. Ejiji, I'm not so sure.
Invite your witness, court registrar, administer the oath on him.
They will lead you there.
Go ahead and administer the oath. Let him be seated.
I, your name.
I,
Your name.
Ejire for influence.
Swear in the name of Almighty God.
Swear in the name of the Almighty God.
That the evidence I shall give in this case.
That the evidence that I shall give in this case.
Shall be the truth.
Shall be the truth.
The whole truth.
The whole truth.
And nothing but the truth.
And nothing but the truth.
So help me God.
So help me God.
My Lord, witness our song with the Holy Bible.
Go straight to his witness statement. Very well. Mr. Majobi, go straight to the witness statement. Let him identify the statement of the court and adopt it.
You remember made a statement before the documents. The documents.
The original.
That's my lord, sir.
I'm waiting.
You remember
Have you shown him?
You remember you made a statement on, your statement on before the registry of this court, 9th day of December 2020.
What's your answer?
My lord.
What's your answer?
response?
You cannot hear. Are you not in the open court?
He is. I'm in the open
So
court
you
as well.
cannot hear the question from your lawyer.
Ma, is that what? Hi.
Senate counsel, show him the statement and let him identify the statement to the court.
Is this, I told you that you made a statement before the registry of the court on the 9th day of December 2022.
Has he identified the documents?
That's my lord, sir. The whole documents are numbered and attached.
No, I'm talking about the statement. The statement, has he identified the statement as his own?
Yes. Do you
And if
identify the
yes,
statement made?
let him adopt it.
Do you adopt it as your statement or evidence this month? And also, the witness as evidence.
Are there documents that you want to tender through him?
Yes, my Lord, sir. We have listed 6 documents accompanying the complaint.
Did you arrange them as listed, please?
Very well.
Mm-hmm.
Lord, sir.
Let him identify the documents to the court.
You
hand over the documents to him and let him identify the documents one after the other.
As complices. Yes, they are.
Tell the court what they are. Court registrar, focus the phone on the witness and let me hear him. Is it there?
Yes, ma'am.
I can't see him. I can't see the witness. I said he should sit down and focus on the phone and talk to the court. Tell the court what the documents you're holding are. Identify the documents to the court one after the other. If he cannot hear, whoever hears me should tell him. Court registrar, tell him.
I can hear now, ma'am.
Identify the documents.
Identify these documents.
Okay. Then one after the other.
Okay. Document 1. This is my letter of appointment as coordinator of Salem Business School.
Dated
17th September 2020.
Which one is the letter dated March 22?
March.
Senate Council.
The one as coordinator.
Document number 1, is it there?
Yes, madam. The one dated.
So why is he talking about document number 2 when you said you had already arranged them?
Okay. Provisional offer of amendment as an adjunct lecturer 1, March 22, 2019.
Mm-hmm. The second one is what?
The second one is appointment as coordinator of Salem Business School, 17 September 2020.
Mm-hmm. Next one.
The next one is provisional offer of appointment as senior assistant registrar, admissions, 21st October 2019.
Next document.
2016. My Lord.
Very well. Next document.
This one? I'm coming, man. Next document. Appointment to the post of letter 1, 17 September 2020.
Next one.
Appointment to the post of letter 1, 17 September 2020.
Next one.
Then next one is a statement of account, retirement savings account statement for the period of 2nd February 2004 to 1st August 2022. The next is letter of resignation of appointments from Salem University, dated July 6, 2022.
Do you have your letter of transfer dated 21st of September 2018? Do you have it there?
Yes, I have it.
Or you didn't mention it?
Oh, I'm sorry. Wait, not this one.
What
Yeah,
registrar?
I have letter of
What,
transfer.
council?
I have letter of transfer.
Mr. Mejobi, what do you want to do with the
dated 21st September 2018.
Mr. Mejobi.
Yes, my Lord, sir.
What do you want to do with the documents?
My Lord, to tender the statements in order.
You are tendering which statement? I said the documents.
My Lord, we seek to tender all the documents, sir. In the order the witness identified them and are stated in the list of documents attached to the complaints.
All the documents sought to be tendered are admitted in evidence and marked serial team as listed on the list of documents as Exhibit A to A5. Court registrar, collect the documents and let's mark them. Do you have the list of documents with you?
No, my lord.
Collect it from counsel and mark it as listed. The first starting from A.
My Lord, sir. First, so there are 2 other documents that were pleaded but not listed.
Which document is that?
The first is letter of transfer to Salem University. That is appointment as
a letter of what?
Letter of transfer to Salem University, Lokoja. And the other is appointment as coordinator.
What?
They are both original.
Dated when?
It is dated, the first is dated 4th August 2020 and the second November 2020.
You pleaded it as number what of the statement of facts? At paragraph what?
That will be paragraph 14. That the claimant aware that in August 2020 he was transferred back to Salem University as lecturer, where he was appointed as lecturer 1.
And you didn't talk about the documents there. As at the time you filed this process, you're supposed to mark the documents you intend to tender. You're supposed to connect the pleadings So the documents are marked them in your pleadings. I don't know why. Registrar, Divisional Registrar, Lokoja, are you hearing me?
I'm hearing you, ma'am.
Are you the
When they file processes, Divisional Registrar.
Yes, my lord, I'm hearing you. I was a
When
senior.
they file processes, you should ensure that the processes are marked. I mean, documents they intend to tender are marked to be in line with the practice direction of this court. They didn't do that in respect of this process. So you're not supposed to have even allowed them to file it.
Yes, ma'am.
So you take note of that. Any counsel or anyone is filing any process in this court, you make sure you check the statement of facts, all the processes, and ensure that you have done the proper thing before you accept the processes.
Yes,
so whoever is there, whoever is in charge of it, you should let them know and do the needful.
Yes.
Mr. Ejabi, you made the statement with regards to that, but you didn't even talk about the fact that there is even a letter. Bring it in, bring it in. Court registrar, court
Yes, my lord.
registrar. Staple it together with the letter of transfer dated 21st of September 2018.
Please give me the document.
Staple it together with the letter of transfer dated 21st of September 2018. Have you seen that letter? It's number 4 on the list.
Okay.
This one is not 20. This is 17th September, not 24th.
I'm talking about the letter of transfer. The letter of transfer dated 21st of September 2018. You can't find it?
No, my lord.
Okay, listen. Do you have the letter of employment dated March 22, 2019?
Yes, my lord.
Mark it as Exhibit A. So if you cannot do it, let's do it together now. Exhibit A.
Yes, my lord.
The next letter that you should look for is the letter dated 17 September 2020.
Yes, my lord.
You have found that one?
Yes.
Mark it as Exhibit A1. How about the letter dated 21st of October 2016? October 21, 2016. Yes. Mark it as Exhibit A2. Have you marked it? Have you marked it? Yes. How about the letter of transfer dated 21st of September 21, 2018? Letter of transfer.
That's the one I've not seen.
Check it very well because the witness identified it. Check your table and make sure you didn't model it up.
Yes, my lord.
You have found it?
Yes, my lord.
Okay, I said you should staple it together with the letters of transfer that has just been brought in.
Okay, my lord.
Staple everything together and mark it as Exhibit A3. Are you through?
Yes, my lord.
The pension account statement, Exhibit A4. Resignation letter, Exhibit A5.
Yes, my lord.
Very well. Mr. Major, be any other thing with the witness?
Yes, there is one other letter, appointment to the post of lecturer 1, dated 17th September. Which one?
That is the one I said you should mark as Exhibit A1. Are there two letters dated 17 September 2020?
There is provision offer of appointment as an adult lecturer 1, and then there is appointment to the post of lecturer 1. There are two.
They are dated the same date.
Yes, my lord. No, the first one is 22nd March 2019. This second one is 17th September 2020.
That is Exhibit A. That is Exhibit A. That is the one I said you should mark as Exhibit A. So what did you mark as Exhibit A?
Provision
if
offer
you didn't mark that as
appointment, my lord.
Exhibit A?
My lord, I marked.
What date is on that?
Provisional offer of appointment dated March 22nd, 2019 as Exhibit A.
So which other one are you talking again that you said is also?
There is an appointment to the post of lecturer 1, dated 17th September 2020.
That is Exhibit A1. Which other documents did you mark as Exhibit A1?
The one I marked as Exhibit A1 is appointment as coordinator, Salem Business School.
What date is on that?
It's still 17th September. There are two.
Okay, merge the two together. Staple the two together.
As
Exhibit A1.
Not a problem.
The one dated 17 September 2020, and the other one you mentioned.
As the court.
Then I cancel any other thing.
My lord, no.
My lord, none.
And that's all for the witness.
Yes, my lord.
So take a date for co-examination.
As court pieces. My lord, the council had instead as suggested for the 10, 11, 12,
11, 12, and 15th of May.
We are not doing this. 20th June, my lord.
Is it convenient?
My lord, sir.
What date, court registrar?
My lord, 20th.
What date?
20th June, my lord.
Claimant is temporarily discharged. That means you have to be here at the next adjourned date, which is on the 20th of June 2023, for definite cross-examination and continuation of hearing notice to be served on the defendants with a specific endorsement reflecting the business of the day. Proof is to be filed.
Very good.
Is that all? I rise from Lokoja.
Court.